Let's start with the star of the show, the Chang'e missions. Named after the Chinese moon goddess, these missions have been making waves in the space community faster than you can say. Houston, we have a problem. It all kicked off with Chang'e 1 in 27, which was basically China saying, "Hey moon, we see you up there." This orbiter mapped the lunar surface and even created a 3D image of the moon. Talk about the ultimate selfie. Fast forward to 2024 and we've got Chang'e 6 pulling off a lunar magic trick. It not only landed on the far side of the moon, the side that's always playing hide and seek with Earth, but it also brought back some souvenirs. We're talking about 1.9 kilograms of moon rocks and soil. That's like bringing back a doggy bag from the most exclusive restaurant in the solar system. But wait, there's more! Chang'e 7 and 8 are waiting in the wings, ready to make their grand entrance in 2026 and 2028. These missions are like the lunar version of Extreme Makeover Moon Edition. They'll be scoping out the South Pole, looking for water ice, and basically preparing the moon for its next big role, hosting a research station. Now let's talk about China's plans for a lunar research station. It's like they're putting up a roommate wanted ad for the moon, and countries are lining up to apply. This isn't just any old research station. Oh no, this is the International Lunar Research Station, or ILRS for short. It's like the International Space Station's cooler, more mysterious cousin who lives on the moon. The ILRS is set to be built in phases, kind of like a cosmic Lego set. By 2035, they're aiming to have a basic station up and running in the lunar South Pole region. This area is prime moon real estate, folks. It's got potential water ice, which is like striking gold in space. Imagine being able to make a cup of moon tea or take a lunar shower. By 2045, they want to expand this bad boy into a full-fledged moon base. We're talking a hub in lunar orbit, facilities with all the bells and whistles, and the ability to do some serious science. It's like they're building a lunar university, complete with dorms and a cafeteria serving freeze-dried everything. Now, if you're thinking this sounds a bit like a new space race, you're not wrong. It's like the 21st century version of anything you can do, I can do better, but with rockets and moon bases. China's not just inviting a few friends to this lunar party. They're throwing open the doors and saying, "The more the merrier." They're hoping to welcome 50 countries, 500 international research institutions, and 5,000 overseas researchers. It's like they're planning the biggest, nerdiest music festival ever, but on the moon. But here's the kicker. The US also has its eyes on the lunar South Pole. It's like both countries are racing to plant their flag on the best spot for the ultimate moon selfie. Will they end up as lunar neighbors, borrowing cups of moon sugar from each other? Only time will tell. So there you have it, folks. China's lunar exploration program in a nutshell. From bringing back moon rocks to planning a lunar research station, they're shooting for the moon and not planning to stop there. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll all be booking our lunar vacations through a Chinese travel agency. Until then, keep watching the skies and this channel for more space-tastic updates.